Here is the unknown ceiling fan. It's I think it's a mainstays or something like that. But they saw had a Kmart model like this, but it was a Kmart model, and it's a 3-speed. Yep, there's the motor. There's the motor and everything. Here is. Look how nasty these blades are. Here it is. Here's high. It is. There we go. This has been something I wanted to film, but I haven't got around to filming it. But here it is. This is high speed. This is high speed, medium. I think it's in the top position, so it's blowing down. And here's back to. I think that's off. It's got awfully long coast down time. Yep, there it is. So thank you for watching. This is my grandma's ceiling fan in the dining room at it's mainstays. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.